Hello guys, this is Cristo Gamer here. So I just wanted to say that we're literally almost about to reach to 100 subscribers. So yeah, so if we reach 100 subscribers, I'll do a special video, and also on the fidget spinners. Talking about those fidget spinners. I just finished making a fidget spinner video, so if you missed it, make sure to go look at it back. And yeah, if you're wondering where I am, I'm actually in my mom's kitchen. So let me just show you so you can see it, how it looks like. So there it is, as you can see. Yeah. Also my mom, she just bought the refrigerator, so all she has to take all of this off. And actually, guys, I'm just kidding, guys. This is actually really not my mom's kitchen. Look at this. So I'm actually at Lowe's right now. So let me know in the comments below if you fell for it. This was my mom's kitchen, so leave in the comments below if you fell for it. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. It was pretty much almost like a trolling video, to be fair. Like, this was pretty much almost like a trolling video. So yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, leave in the comments below if you fell for it, you know, like fell for it thinking it was actually my mom's kitchen. So I'll see you guys in another video. And also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe right now and leave a like and turn notifications on if you're new to the channel. And if you want one of these fidget spinners, all you have to do is pretty much what I said: subscribe, turn on notifications off, and leave a like, and say on the leave a comment saying you're done. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.